is going to be minus 20, minus 20, minus 20. All right, watch it. 16. Ene, iro, bugie. Ene. What is ene? Anybody know ene? You remember ene is 4. Is that no? Yes, 4. Ene. Now we are making a statement, a phrase, to describe the counting. You see? We are making a phrase to describe the counting. Instead of counting forward, adding 1 and 1 and 1, and then another 1, he's telling us to subtract, take away. It is 4 to 20. It is now 4 things to get to 20. Over here, it was 15. It was 5 to get to 20. But here now, yes, it's 4. 16. 20 minus 16 is 4. Isn't it? Simple mathematics. So we are saying 4 to get to 20. A naira bugie. 4 is not in 20. Oh, they did. It's so nice. 4 is not in 20. Come to 17. 17. Over there, we said 7 was in here. Now, we're not going to say anything about 7 here. In here. Instead, we say what? 3. Eha. You remember? 1, 2, 3. Owo, eva, eha. You remember? Owo, eva, eha. All right. Owo, eva, eha. We are saying here 3 out of 20. You see it? Isn't it beautiful? Yes, it is. A high rabu ge. Eki manaka we nyagbe hiyonya o ari ehian ogere kere popa. Ona ene rabu ge. Ona na ga ha iro ugie. The high row. Okay. Ugayo. 18. On another eva, take 18 away from 20 is 2. And what we call 2, you remember? Owo, eva. All right. Eva iro ugie. 2 away from 20. 2, remaining 2 to get to 20. Oh, 19. You remember I said, when we are counting, you say, Owo. I told you Owo is also having another name. You remember? What was the other name? Okpa. Remember I said it? Okpa. Now you come to it here. Okpa. Iro Wugie. Remaining 1 to make it 20. 1 is not in 20. Okpa Iro Wugie. Is that not beautiful? It is beautiful. It is beautiful. And then now we're getting to the master. The master that they have all been talking about. They have all been talking about the master, the home. 20 is uge. 20 is uge. 20. 19 is uge minus 1, right? 19. Okpa iro uge. 1 is not in 20. All right. And then 18 is minus 2. 20 minus 2. 20 less 2 is a viral uge. 20 less 2. Then 17 was what? 3, not in 20. 3 away from 20. A high row wugie. 3 not there in 20. What about 16? 16, 4 not in 20. A naira wugie. A naira wugie. 4 not in 20. And then 15, we are quarter to ugie, quarter to 20. Hey, eke sugie. Eke sugie. All right, let's see. We're going backwards now, so we are going to make sure we know how to get to them. 14 is iwene. You remember we said owo, eva, eha, ene. Ene. So that's a name coming out here. 4 here. Iwene. Iwene. We come to 13. You remember when we started, we called it Owo, Eva, Eha. So 13 now is spelling itself Iweha. 13. Iweha. You know, 10 having 3 on top of it. Good. Then 11. Oh, I love this. I love this. 11. Oh, wow. But I told you it's sweet to learn the Edo counting. Oh, what are you? Amai can now wear Okpa. I'm going to wear oh, wow. Remember 1 is Owo. You remember that? Yes. Okpa, Owo, Akokpa, Odola Demona. Owo. All right. Then 10 is Igbe. Igbe. I want you to note that every 10 has a very fascinating sound. 10, 20, 30. 10 is Igbe. 20 is what? Ugie. See? Very, very, very fascinating. Ugie. What about 30? It's Ogban. We're getting there. Ogban. 30. And when you go to 40, it changes. And then it's going to be sweet again. He said, Iyeva. Iyeva. And you get to 50, it changes again. It's going to be Kigbesi Yeha. That's man. Kigbesi Yeha. 10 to get to 60. And what is 60? Iyeha. Igbe for 10. Uge for 20. Ogban for 30. Iyeva for 40. Okay. Now let's go to someone. We're going to spell every word so we understand how to spell every one in a do. All right. I told you when we were little kids, we used to sing with it. And you can as well sing with it so you can get it. 1 Owo, 2 Eva, 3 Eha, 4 Ene, 5 Isen, 6 Eha, 6 Eha, 7 Ehion, 8 Ehe, 9 Ehin, 10 Igbe, 11 Owo, 12 Iweva, 13 Iweha, 14 Iwene, 15 Ekesugie, 16 Enera Wugie. See? 17 Ehaira Wugie. 18 a viral uge. 19, a viral uge. 20, uge. Oh, Akobo man. Mami ode go wa. What are different? Mami 10, 20, uge. And then we 30 again. And then they will bring 30. That will be all bam. After 30, we'll bring out 40. It will be Yeva. All right. So we're going to know how to spell the counting now. Let's go to 1. We'll be ready to count from 1 and spell it one by one. Take note of it, because if you don't know how to spell it, you cannot write it. You cannot write it. You may write the Roman figure, but the Roman figure is not telling us what you are counting in a dough. I think you get me. All right. So, Owo is O-we-O. Owo. O-we-O. Owo. Then I told you Owo, one has another name, which is Okpa. It is O-pi-a. No, this is double consonant. K-P. Bi. O-pi-a. Okpa. There is something else that bears a name like this. O-pi-a. We're going to tell you what it is. A rooster. A cock. The name, the name for cock is Okpa. Okpa. If you say it in full, it's Okboru. Okboru. He said the announcer, because it announces at daybreak. Okboru. The cock crow at dawn. The cock crows at dawn. It is the rooster that crows co in the morning. That's why we call it Okboru. But then the short name for Okboru cock is Okpa. Now we also call it Okpa. Take note of those Edo words that mean two things, so that when you say them, you know what you are talking about. The word Owo in counting means 1. But there is something else that bears the name of Owo in Edo words. O-V-O. Something else. What is that? It is a gravy, the native gravy we use in eating plantain. Huh? When we boil green plantain, our mothers make a gravy, native gravy, which we use in eating the green plantain. When you split the gravy, the green plantain, after it has been cooked, it becomes soft. And you have in another bowl this native gravy. You use it to coil, to go under and scoop out the native gravy, and you put in your mouth. It is like it's like the whole world has come down. We thank God for our mothers, because they know too much. So Owo is 1, but there is a gravy, native gravy we use in eating green plantain, which is also called Owo. That Owo, there's a song in many adage concerning Owo. There's another kind of food we call akasan. Akasan, it is a tough cereal, tough white cereal. When it's made from corn, it is tough. You use it, you eat like Owo, then you will know that you don't want to eat something else. That is why there's a song concerning Owo. It tells us, Izogeo, Izogewi and Yakasan, Agisowo Yakasan, Izogere Boroma. That is to say, that Owo native gravy is so good for eating this tough cereal. this is okay, young boy, he first of all said he would not eat this or kakasan. He would not eat akasan. Then he said, okay, not eat akasan, don't worry. Then they went and prepared this owo. When grandmother prepared the owo and brought owo and akasan together, everybody was eating it and licking finger. And when this young man saw everybody licking finger, then he tasted it and he liked it and he got all the rest of it to himself and he ate all and he licked everything. He licked his finger. That's what the song is about. Learn the song for yourself. Izogeo, Izogeo, we heard yakasa. Ariso wo yakasa. Oh, Izogeo, Boruma. As you learn Benin, you learn Edo, you're going to be learning songs. Because every Edo lesson, presentation, has some adage or parable to cover it, as well as sometimes a little song to cover it. It drives the message home. All right. 2 is Eva, A-V-A, Eva. 3 is Eha, E-Hi-A, Eha. 4 is Ene, E-Ni, Ene. 5 is Sen, E-Si-Eni. 6, Eha, E-Hi-Ani. 7, Ihion, I-Hi, I-Hi-I, Ni, Ri, O-Ni. Ihion. 8 is E-Ri-Ani, Ri-Ani. 9 is I-Hi-I-Ni, Ri-I-Ni. And 10 is Igbe, Igbi, Igbe. 11 Owo, Owi, Ori, Owo. 12 Iweva, Iwi, Evi-A, Iweva. 13 Iweha, Iwi, Ehi-A, Iweha. 14 Iwene, Iwi, Eni, Eni. And then 15 the Kesugie, E-Ki-E, C-U, G-E-A, a Kesugie. Okay, we'll stop with the spelling there because these are statements. They are statements until we get to 20. Of course, you know that 20 is Ugie, U-G-E-A. We will stop here today and we will take it off from 21 in our next lesson. My eyes die when I am now. I have a way soon. You are your Panyaki, Kivapa. Yayin, my way now, or Lamahio. Sabafian Gumayafe is. We have learned a lot today. We thank God. May God bless all of us together. Amen.